Crose Mechanical offers property management and maintenance in conjunction with Canadian Elder Services, which is another company that we're heavily involved with. The idea behind it is to have one company to look after the mechanical items in your property. You've got plumbing, you've got hydro, you've got your the heating and cooling sections. If you have one company that you trust, we can look after everything. We may use our subcontractors. We also can have property like lawn care available, primarily to help people who are not able to help themselves in their own house. Currently, we've got several customers who are older people and are not able to handle these things, and we've set them up with all the services that run naturally. We look after their heating and cooling. We make sure people go in to inspect things so that they don't have problems while they're away or even while they're at the house and can't deal with it. We're just trying to help our customers look after their houses. If you're interested in discussing the advantages of property management or property maintenance, please give us a call and we can go over the services on an individualized basis. You may need somebody to cut the grass, you may need somebody to help out cleaning out your gutters. Every house will be different on frequency of services and the depth at which you want somebody else to look after them. Just give us a call and we can have a dialogue. We can sit down and have coffee and talk about it.